We're just here at Project Oquinn. I'm here with the lead designer, Ashlea, from JMH Design. We're going to go check out this project. It's a construction site currently. Ash, tell us a little bit about this project.
So we're here in Nudgee Beach today. We're at frame stage. So this was a knockdown and rebuilds, 4-bedroom home, 2 master suites upstairs, lots of high ceilings and big voids.
In a few months' time, I'm sure you'll be able to see the finished product. It'll be fantastic. Let's go take a look. Check out this door that's going to be here. This is going to be a pretty cool feature, like with that stacker door coming back.
Yeah.
Engineering happening there.
Yeah, so just taking in on that industrial design features. So at the moment we're in the living and dining. There will be a kitchen bench here. The client wanted flexibility with their kitchen design, so the island bench, and it's going to be on wheels, so they can move it around, they can move it outside if they want. So what's going to happen here, big glass sliding doors on this side, another glass sliding door on that side, and in between we're going to have a deck. So we're at the entry here. So this home isn't going to have a garage, instead it's going to have a carport. So we are in a flood overlay here, so to avoid having to do a massive pad where the car drove up into the garage, the clients opted to do a carport instead.
And then we've got behind us that void that we keep talking about.
Yeah, lots happening, really.
Yeah.
Beautiful.